Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the host name permanently in Kali Linux. Okay, now open terminal. See, this is the host name, or you can get the host name by typing hostname or hostnamectl. All three options are same. See, this is the static host name. Okay, I'm going to show you change the host method by using two methods. The first one is using hostnamectl. Sudo hostnamectl set hostname, then provide the new hostname. See, Kali 2024 I am giving new hostname as KL 2024 for VM. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. It is done, but see, still it is showing old name. Even if you type hostnamectl, it will give the latest one. See, name has been changed, but if you want to affect these changes, close the terminal and reopen. See, now name has been changed. Okay, no need to reboot the system. The otherwise, we have to edit sudo vi etc hosts, hit enter. See here, we must change this Kali Linux 2024 to new one. After that, we have to reboot. Okay, Shift A, remove or modify how you want. Then save the file. Then we have to restart. First one is enough to rename the hostname permanently in Kali Linux. So first rename by using this command. After that, modify this host file. Okay, then reboot the Kali Linux or any operating system. So in this video, we have successfully changed the host name or machine name of Kali Linux host. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.